Okay, this was hard. So I just tried 2 failures of trying to cook with Kool-Aid, except he kept flying away, so I'll just put him in the cage till the egg's done. But welcome back to Budgie Lovers 95. I will be today cooking Kool-Aid's favorite egg. This time I'm not. This time we're going for a scrambled egg. So let's begin to Budgie's cooking show. Theme plays, except I don't have any music. Okay, so let's bring you guys over to the area where we will be cooking our thing. So I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. So first, to cook a scrambled egg. Step 1. You need anywhere between any more than 1 egg, which I'm pretty sure you guys knew that there's nothing less than 1, except for no egg. Can't have no egg. And I'm also gonna show you how to do it with, if you're cooking it for a special kind of pet. You're trying to avoid this is a mutant egg. Look at the top, that's not even an egg. Whatever. It's got bumps all over it. So you're supposed to use 2 eggs. As you can see, I had 2 eggs in. Now, step 2 is where's my bigger whisk? Come on, we're hiding this stupid whisk. I'll just have to use a stupid rubber one. Okay. So, any kind of whisk could be any size. Apparently I'm using rubber. There's a bigger one, I just can't find it. So, first what I like to do is I just like to crush up the yolk. As you can see, I'm just crushing up this yolk. And right now I'm stirring. You gotta whisk the egg, both of them, until you get this yellowish liquid. Just yellow, pretty much. Just yolk. It looks like yolk. So you just gotta keep mixing. It doesn't take that long. See, pretty soon, you see this, how the whole thing just turned yellow? There, now you know you're ready. This is step, okay. If you want, you can just tap off your thing. Okay, so now, step 3, I believe that's, yeah, step 3. So make sure that you guys are being set up right. And I'm just going to flip the camera around. Yeah, I can move up the camera just a tiny tidbit. Perfect. Okay, so now the next part is if you're cooking it for a special pet or something that has a sensitive stomach and cannot handle grease, you can use at least one of these. Any pan would do it. And I'll show you the key. So right now you start the stove. It could it's like a little bit past medium. Here, I'm going to show you. See the knob right there? This one. See how this is the start. This is the highest. It's like a little bit past the middle. That's what I personally like to use, but you can also have your own preferences for cooking. I know my iPad just turned on. I have a new notification. I'm not going to check that out yet. Okay. So now, So now you're ready for cooking. So just gently pour on your egg, scrambled egg, should I say. And I'm just going to bring you guys a bit closer so you guys can see this. I could like lean this against here. Okay, so you guys can see the egg, how it's, I have a, like pancake spatula. You could truly use any spatula you desire. And at this time right now, you can add in any, at this time right now, you can add in any like salt, pepper, any sauces or things you like. So now, as you can see, it's a little bit sticky. But once the time comes, you'll be able to flip the egg. And actually, I think I'm just going to put a bit of cheese. Because we bought cheese at the local market. This is fresh cheese, so we're just going to sprinkle a bit on. Make a omelet-like thing. And I know Kool-Aid's going to love this, because I just know it. I know it. I'm a poet and I know it. So, all we want to do is basically just dig under every direction. Dig under every single direction. This part may be a little bit hard. This is the hardest part, seriously. And you just want to get it all over. See how I'm doing this? Now it's okay if it rips. Actually it's normal for it to rip at this stage. Because if it's, you can give smaller portions to your pet first so they don't just gobble the whole thing up. So here's our first one. So it's just going to be in 2 halves. These eggs are ready to flip. Just flip them however the way you desire. And we're just going to flip that one too. And that one. Like I said before, anything your pet likes. Oh crap, I just anything your pet likes, like my bird likes cheese. If you want, you could sprinkle it on if you desire to. See, look at that. The cheese is binding into the egg. And now you can just make it like an omelet if you like desire to, but you could just have it as just a normal scrambled egg. But yeah, this smells pretty good. The cheese binds into the egg. Omelet-like. No, it's pretty good. So yeah, it would be a lot easier if you use cooking spray. I'm sorry if I doubted you guys. I'm really, really sorry. I wasn't actually expecting this either. But yeah, you can cook it this way, and plus it gives you smaller portions if you desire. And if you want to, you can break it up and you can make another one if you really want to. And if your pet can supply just a bit of grease or so, then it should be easier for you to make it. But this is also good for cats and dogs because they won't gobble and choke on it. So the egg is pretty much done now. So I'm just going to turn off the heat so it doesn't cook anymore. I'm just going to cook the other sides just for a brief amount of seconds. And there. Look at that, yummy. Okay. Excuse me. Now I'm gonna get my bird portions of it. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys out a bit more. There we go. Let's just flip that camera so you can see. So now you finished your egg. You gotta turn off the heat source first for safety reasons. Put it under your spatula and just place the proportions on your plate easily. And if your pet is sensitive to hot and cold stuff like mine, you can either put it in the freezer or let it just cool off for a couple minutes. And to be eco-friendly or so, not eco-friendly, I don't know. You can throw the rest in the trash if you desire. And to alert other people, if you live with other people, you might want to leave it on the stove so they would know that it's not just ready to be washed when it's like really hot. But here's the result. Smells good. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like pizza. But it's in a lighter shade. But this is what it, and the back is cooked a bit more. But it looks tasty. And the cheese just sprinkled in there, just melted. That's where that's where you see those little dark spots coming from. That's the cheese. And then here's the unfortunate thing. We don't even use that stove anyway. We don't even use that one. So now, I'm just gonna let these cool off for a minute. I'm just gonna talk to you. So, the eggs are made of, well, they're grade A eggs, obviously. You can use any egg that you desire to. Just like you're saying, you can have freestyle on most of these. These cooking videos, I think I'll be continuing. I'm using my better camera this time. So, zoom that out. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments on how good that looks. I know it looks like pizza on the screen for some reason, but it's a lot more yellow than it looks. And boy, does it smell good. So, the egg is still a bit hot. Perfectly cooked. You can rip off a chunk or so. If you want to give your pet even smaller proportions. Like if your pet doesn't, I don't know, turtle, I don't even know if turtles can eat eggs. But, here's Kool-Aid, the taste tester. See how the camera cool. Oh, whoa, 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 oh! Okay, he's not like the camera. But, Kool-Aid, that will be yours. You can eat that. He's like, can I eat that? We're kind of going to die from that. So apparently he doesn't like plates, so I'm just going to have to put it on the table. Oh, good boy. Good. No, no! Oh, come on. See, I told you this. Ugh, I'm going to try this. Come on, Kool-Aid. Come on, good boy. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, it's okay. No! Oh my gosh, this is, I'm sorry guys. I just can't control what Kool-Aid's doing. Ugh. I'm barely just, come on Kool-Aid, you can eat, you're hungry. Ow! He bit me like lightly. I don't know why I said ow. Ugh. No, 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 no! I'm gonna take this cage into my room in a few minutes. Come on, come on, come on. You're okay. I don't know why you keep flying away from me. No, 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 no. Oh, come on. I gotta think. Gotta think. Gotta have smart. I gotta be smart. So we're gonna keep my hand. No, 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 no. That didn't help. Kool-Aid, stop flying. Yeah, for some reason they all started flying on top of the cage instead of flying elsewhere. No, 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 oh, 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 no, no, Kool-Aid, Jesus. Okay. Okay, so I might have to put this inside their food dish. But sadly, Cooley might not want to eat right at this moment. I'm gonna try one more time, and I'm gonna give him some cheese. You know what you want. So Kool-Aid, just got him. So now we're just gonna give him some cheese, just to let him know he's good. What? Cheese. You like cheese, don't you? Okay. So we're going to do this one step at a time. Here he is. Just zoom in a bit more. Okay. So I'm just going to rip off a tiny chunk of it. Alright, Kool-Aid. There you go. Try it. Oh, he's trying it. He's going for it. You like it? I don't know. I can't tell. Just gotta zoom out where you can see him. What if I sprinkle some cheese on it? I mean, he doesn't know there's cheese in it. But this is like a first timer for Kool-Aid. He hasn't tried a scrambled egg before. He's tried boiled egg. He just hasn't tried scrambled. So I wonder, that gives me the question, I wonder if he will eat it. So we're just going to have to see. He likes cheese though. That's the one thing he likes. What if I give him a different proportion? Maybe a little bit closer to a small size. Okay, don't you want that? Fine, it's good. I don't know, I might be too drawn by the cheese. But sometimes he hasn't truly tried things. Nom nom, good. Good. Good, tastes good. Okay. Okay. I'll just put some of this in the cage. I'll keep the other for I don't know, the refrigerator. So just sprinkle this on top. And I know that I put cheese in there, they'll come to it, so of course I put cheese in there. A little bit cheese. Kool-Aid, come on! I put everything that you like in there. Come on. When he sees that cheese, he knows he sees cheese. Come on. Okay. So that wasn't the best feeding video, like a lot of times, but I did, however, put the cheese in there. So, yeah, I don't think they'll want to eat right now. But anyway, I think that might be it. I zoomed in too much. What the? So I think that might be it for this video. Like this video if you want me to do more. Comment if you want me to do more. And eat this. This is an egg. Now I'm asking pretty well-known questions. So yeah, just subscribe for more. Ooh, I think we got some fish bait. I call them fish. I'm sorry. So that's a garlic. Peach. I call her Peach now, actually. And I put some egg in there. So I wonder if she likes the egg. Doesn't smell that bad. It's colder now. It's cooled down. I think I'll just keep this in the fridge under some tin foil so I can just use it later. Whoa, kick the camera. And we're just gonna put a bit more in there. And then of course I'll take it out later, so that it doesn't get rotten or spoiled. So I'm just gonna put this. I'm just gonna put this egg in the under some tin foil in the refrigerator. Shut up! What the hell? Okay, let's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. It got even creepier, like something hijacked it. I don't know. But devices can be creepy. Not promoting technophobia. I don't even know if that's how it's you say it. I think phobia is bad. That's just being scared or something. So we're just gonna put this refrigerator in my juicer. Just found this in the refrigerator. But that is it. We're done. That's it. I'm out of here. Just kidding. Bye bye and stay tuned for more.